Welcome to Project 308. My name is Trottier, and that right there is my 1978 Ferrari 308 GTS that I'm restoring for you right in front of your eyes, albeit very slowly. If you have any interest in old Ferraris, car restoration, general shop life, hey, I might have something here for you. So why don't you check out my other videos? And hey, while you're here, give me a subscribe too. I'd appreciate that. I hate it when I do that. Put down my wrench somewhere now. I don't know where it is. Thanks for joining me. Sorry it's been so long. It has been a while, hasn't it? It's not like I haven't been busy. Like I haven't been sitting on my laurels doing F all. I got sidetracked with a pool fence enclosure thing. I got a video coming out for that eventually. I mean, here's a couple seconds from it. It was a lot more work than I thought it was going to be. But aren't all these projects? Okay, so my problem at this particular moment are these two hoses. One hose is for a coolant line and the other hose is a vacuum line, and they both run to the front of the car. I have them routed incorrectly. The hoses right there have to go around over there and up on top there. So I've got to try and move the gas tank a little bit that way. Yes, I am lying on my back trying to get the best possible video footage for you, because that's just the way I roll. Oh, this is not working very well. I don't want to take the tank out because it was so hard to get in. I gotta think. See this right here? This ridge, it's got to go over this, and it's trapped right now, so I've got to push the tank up and then lift it on, and I just don't want to scratch any of the paint. That's why I'm being careful. I think I spent a couple hours trying my best to actually avoid doing it properly.
I do my best.
Your best? Losers always whine about their best. Winners go home and...
Sometimes it's easier for me just to turn the camera off because there's so much footage that I'll never use it anyway, so just the highlights, I guess. Now, my problem is this hose right here. This hose is so stiff and it's preventing the tank from moving. So right now what I'm trying to do is take the whole filler neck out, because I'm sure that once that is free, the tank will move. Alright, so I've bit the bullet. I've got the tank moved out quite a bit. It won't come out of the car without dropping the suspension and moving shit around, but I have managed to get one hose routed. It's all the way up here now. Just gotta fix it, and now I gotta work on this hose and get it up there as well. Look who's here. He's not gonna say a lot. What are you working on, Terry?
Oh gosh. Car from hell.
It's a car from hell. It's a Jaguar. Uh-oh.
Jaguar.
A Jaguar with a blown engine.
Yeah, and a
There's
diesel
a first.
too.
And a diesel as well. Welcome back, Terry, if only part-time. Okay, so I'm trying to route my lines, okay? My vacuum lines, because I had to pull that gas tank back out.
Oh.
Because I had the lines at the bottom. Do you remember?
Yeah.
And if you look at this here, you can see that's my little hole for the vent.
Yeah.
That's the two line. I got the vacuum line and the brake booster line coming over. So I had them underneath the tank before, and it didn't look right. So I pulled the tank back out. It's like, come on with me. Grab a light. All right. Now you see I've gotten one routed. Okay. Now if I push, that's one of them, yeah. So I got the other one down here. Okay, so, sorry, I dropped my phone. So it was underneath here before. All right. And then I got one routed. See where I got it routed back there? Stick your face in there.
Yeah. Up behind the
Yeah.
shield, yeah.
So according to that picture, they come over the tank here. So they're slipping through here,
Yeah.
and they're coming here. And I've just popped this up here for the moment just to get it out of the way. Now I have to get that one up as well. And if you look here, you see where the tank, normally the tank pinches up against the back there,
Yeah, against the
right?
Yeah.
Back there. So there's no room. See where there's a little pocket there where I ran the other one through?
Yeah. Where it bends up and goes up through. Where it goes up through at the bottom there.
Yeah. But it seems to me that I gotta run that other one through that same hole that I got that one through.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, you'll be able to do it, yeah.
You think that's the right way to go?
Yeah. Because if the other way, the gas tank's going to squeeze it.
It's gonna pinch it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're on the same page.
Yeah.
That's because I can't find a picture anywhere of exactly where that goes, and I routed the hose the way I had found it, but I'm sure that it wasn't correct.
No, it definitely has to go that way.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, because this here, the other side is blocked off.
Even though the video just got cut off so abruptly, Terry is in agreement with me, and I just needed a second vote of confidence opinion that I was hopefully doing this correct. What I'm trying now is to drill a tiny little hole through the hose that I want to route, and then I fed some mechanics wire through the passage that I'm trying to get to, and then pulled it down, hooked it up to the hose, and then used the mechanics wire to pull it up. It sounds confusing, and it was quite difficult, but I managed to get it. We'll try and make that slide a little bit better. Silicone spray for the wind, I hope. I'm gonna get you to see in there. I've got the hose routed, but I need to turn it so when I pull it, it's kinking. So I need to pull and figure out which way to turn it so that it doesn't kink. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, so. There we go. Push it back a bit. Push it back a bit. Okay. Oh, you got it. That's all I did. I just couldn't do it. I don't have four hands. Thank you. Presto, both hoses routed. And how bad would it be if I got it wrong? Please don't tell me I got it wrong, because that's the way it's staying. All right, so both my hoses are now above the tank as opposed to below the tank. Now I gotta start putting it all back together. All right, so now that the tank is back in, I've got hoses to reconnect. I've got hoses missing here. Gonna leave the carburetors till later. Just gonna get all the loose fittings, loose wires, everything underneath the car, everything on top of the car that's not currently connected is gonna get connected. Let's spend a few minutes with the crankcase ventilation system. Hey, what are these funny silver things here? Something tells me they're coolant tubes. The one tube is really squished and out of shape, so I'm using a couple sockets, impact sockets, and kind of jamming them down there and straightening them out. Well, not straightening them, I guess, making them round again. So one of the problems starting to sneak up on me is losing parts and misplacing parts and not being able to find the little bits and pieces. Case in point is the clutch pin. I can't find that damn thing. I know I took it off. I know I did. And I know I put it somewhere special, safe. But I can't remember where the hell I put that. Well, maybe I'm just getting old.
Thank you. I hadn't laughed like that in a long time.
Gonna put the clutch cable in right now. Give it the hole. I just temporarily loosened the adjustment there and the adjustment there just to give the cable as much slack as possible. Clutch cable is done and adjusted. Now to move on to just odds and ends like shifter rods and wires and starter motor wires and ground straps and all kinds of bits and pieces. Since I've never heard this car run, I have no idea if this muffler sounds good or like crap. I suspect, and I'm gonna go with it sounds like crap. So more than likely it'll be coming off at some point fairly soon, but that doesn't mean I can't give it a quick little cleanup right now and make it at least a little bit presentable. Well, from frosty Ontario, Canada, I say thank you. Thank you for always returning back to my videos, commenting, liking, subscribing, all of the above. Hopefully I'll get some more time onto the car because, you know, I would really like to drive it this summer. That's the goal, is to have this thing running over the course of winter and at least get it mobile. Not done, but mobile by the spring. Anyways, thank you and have a great January. Talk to you later. Bye.